Acer Nitro 5 laptop. Seal broken because it's upgraded. Padded really well inside the box. Completely surrounded in dense foam. Hardware box. Hardware box. Matte finish. You see it actually takes fingerprints quite well. I just touched it. Nitro blazing on the edge. Have a USB plug with charging. Regular USB. USB 3. HDMI cable. And look here, I've never seen one of these before. It's got the Cat 5 line and a lock so that it keeps it in there. Also a laptop lock so you can lock it up. Pretty cool air ports on the back and on the bottom. Another USB 2 plug and an audio microphone jack. LED indicators for charging and power. The power cable hole. More air slots on the side. Comes with a screen protector in the box. It has a backlit keyboard. Has a 10 key on the side. This one here comes with a Core i5, built-in Alexa, GeForce GTX for playing video games or editing video. Narrow bezel, full HD. Has a 1080 full HD logo on the front. We see the Nitro bar here, and it also has a glitter embezzled stylus pad. Mouse pad. In the accessory box, we have a 2-piece power cable. We have a Nitro lanyard, and then it also comes with an HD upgrade cord or inside if you want to upgrade your hard drive, and it comes with the screws to upgrade your hard drive as well. Also inside the box we have the Acer Nitro 5 setup guide and the quick guide, as well as a having trouble contact Acer first. If you have any questions regarding your device 24/7, it's available exclusively for Amazon customers. Quick start guide. Plug in your computer, press the power button. Screen, backlit keyboard,